In today's video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to create a courier company website with a live tracking plugin, even if you're a beginner. This is perfect if you're starting a logistics business, a delivery service, or you want to offer real-time parcel tracking to your customers using WordPress. By the end of this video, you'll have a working courier website with a tracking system your customers can actually use. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the main control panel of your website where you manage plugins, pages, and settings. Once you're inside the dashboard, make sure your website is already set up with WordPress installed and a basic theme activated. From the dashboard menu on the left, scroll down and click on Plugins. This is where you can add new features and functionality to your website. At the top of the Plugins page, click on Add New. In the search bar, type WPCargo Track and Trace. This plugin is specifically designed for courier and logistics companies and allows customers to track shipments using tracking numbers. Once you find the WPCargo plugin in the search results, click Install Now. After the installation is complete, click Activate. Activating the plugin enables all the courier tracking features on your website. Now that the plugin is active, you'll notice a new menu item called WPCargo in your WordPress dashboard. Click on it, then go to WPCargo Settings. This is where you'll configure how the tracking system works. Inside the Settings panel, you can customize shipment statuses, tracking number formats, company information, and notification options. Take a few minutes here to review each section carefully and adjust the settings to match your courier business. For example, you can add shipment statuses like in transit, out for delivery, delivered, or pending. You can also configure email notifications so customers receive updates when their shipment status changes. Once you've finished configuring everything, make sure to click Save Changes so none of your settings are lost. Now let's move on to displaying the tracking feature on your website. Go to Pages from your WordPress dashboard and either create a new page or open an existing page where you want customers to track their parcels. This is usually called something like Track Shipment or Track Your Order. On the page editor, add the WPCargo tracking shortcode provided by the plugin. This shortcode automatically generates a tracking form where users can enter their tracking number. Publish or update the page once you've added the shortcode. Now open your website in a new browser tab and load the tracking page you just edited. You should see the tracking form displayed on the page. To test it, you can create a sample shipment inside the WPCargo dashboard and use the generated tracking number to make sure everything works correctly. Seeing the live tracking feature in action confirms that your courier website is set up properly. And just like that, you've successfully created a courier company website with a live tracking plugin using WordPress. This setup allows your customers to track deliveries easily and gives your business a more professional and trustworthy appearance. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.